We're gonna live in a house for 2 days.
Ooh, is that a bug? It's still alive.
Woo! You gonna come outside, Diana? Happy New Year.
Coca-Cola world. It makes like a opening a Coke bottle noise kind of thing when you go in. It's cool. What's up, guys? So if you didn't know, we're out here in Perry, Georgia, and you might be asking yourself, where the heck is Perry, Georgia?
It's like 2 hours south of Atlanta, and it is the day before New Year's Eve, and it's like 85 degrees and humid as heck outside.
Yes, so it is New Year's weekend. We took some time off work. We had got an Airbnb. We're finally like actually checking out this little town that we've been in for already 2 weeks. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend. So hang with us and check it out.
I feel like I'm in a jungle right now. How warm and humid it is.
Oh yeah, except for you're in Perry, Georgia. Perry, Georgia. This is the best Oreo shake I've had since I can't remember when. How was it?
Delicious. It's a burger.
It's a diner burger.
You wanna try it?
That's really good, actually.
It was really good.
So they do a thing, they call it chrome plating, but it's like they put grilled cheese on both sides of their bun. It's really yummy. I'm gonna take another bite.
And I got macaroni salad too, so I'm gonna try that first really quick. It's a solid salad.
Solid salad.
But I mostly just ordered it because you like never see macaroni salad on the menu, and I was like, they liked it enough to put it on their menu, then I gotta know what it's about.
Can you fit your mouth around that big old sandwich?
Barely.
I'm sorry, what? What?
Barely.
Look at that guy carrying my purse for me.
How to get talked into this.
Look at those socks. Those socks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's books.
Let's go check out some books.
Does it sound like I read animals?
You literally never read animals.
No.
Oh my god. They're like kids that can turn into animals. It's exactly what it sounds like. Some of them are cooler than others.
I love the like transition photos when they just kind of look like stupid.
Yeah, they just like got Photoshop.
Like it's like
and
a
just
normal
steered
kid.
'em.
And then like this photo just, he's like this. He's like, like that's it. That's all that
Wait,
changed.
how'd that go again?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's a little kids section, not built for you.
I'm too big for this aisle.
Oh look, it's the scary nativity scene.
Honestly, it's like huge, and it's like life-size statues, and like I don't know what it is, but just like the art style or something. They kind of look like zombified or like mummified in my opinion, so it's kind of like, it freaks me out a little bit. Like, I'll show you. I don't know, like dolls and stuff freak me out, and I know it's a nativity scene, so it shouldn't be scary, but it just kind of is a little bit.
We're gonna live in a house for 2 days.
Yeah, the dogs have already decided that they're ready to go. Yeah, turn on some lights.
Pretty nice little house. We got an air hockey table.
No, I did not know about the air hockey table. It's a random addition.
With backpack apparently.
And a Hershey's chocolate and something in the gift bag. Look, champagne maybe because it's New Year's. Wow, extra dry sparkling. I don't know. Ooh, is that a bug? It's still alive. Oh my gosh. He needs to get leave.
Not gonna miss you.
This property is like pretty expansive. I know this like lake down here is a part of the property, but it's got like ducks and stuff in it, and we don't want the dogs in it. We've just been kind of letting the dogs run around in this whole vicinity, enjoying themselves. It's a nice little getaway. We mostly picked this place because of these idiots. because we wanted them to have space to run around.
It's a nice full house, and we got a lake and 20 acres, and yeah, the dogs get to have a good New Year's just like us.
You know you love your dogs when you choose your Airbnbs based off of their desires.
I would have picked this without them, but yeah, no, they definitely benefit.
Nice, bub. I don't imagine people would just come onto it since it's private property, but we're not 100% sure. So just in case, she's got her muzzle on, but that doesn't stop her from trying to play fetch. And mostly she's also wearing it right now because the ground is just covered in leaves. And she would be having a heyday with the leaves right now if she wasn't muzzled and probably throwing up because that's what she does. She eats leaves and then throws them up everywhere. So, yeah. Multi-purpose. This is our New Year's Eve dinner. I got pork schnitzel and Adam got the duck confit, which we both wanted, but we didn't want to get the same dish. So
We were gonna share, but now I'm not gonna share. So.
They're both really good. Well,
Okay, well you tell me. I'm recording. I don't know what this is gonna do. I don't think you're gonna get it.
what is it?
Woo! Oh my god! Don't just shake it off. Like what the is wrong with you? No! Stop! Stop, Krista. Well, I'm so glad we're wasting that. I'm so glad you had that experience.
It's a twist off. Like, what are you worried it's good champagne?
No, I fucking don't give a shit. I'm just laughing at you. You're like, just opened a bottle of twist off champagne, shook it off, and spurted it onto the floor.
That's what you do. Lila's probably hiding right now. You want to come out, Bob?
You wanna come outside, Lila? Come here. She's like, no, I'm good. Yeah, that looks. That is a funny look.
She's actually handling it pretty well. She's like, in the past, she's been like inconsolable with fireworks and just shaking, but this work we've been doing with her trazodone, getting her like more comfortable with noises, it's really having a good effect.
Blue, where are you going?
He hasn't peed yet. She's not gonna pee.
Alright.
Oh,
We made it.
What do you think?
I think I'm high as hell right now.
You know, I wouldn't want to do this in the summer. I bet you it's hot in these things. Like,
Yeah, no doubt.
so is that Olympic Park?
Yep.
So that's where we're going next. Coca-Cola World. What do you mean?
I think we're about to get coked out.
Okay, we already went in, but I wanted you guys to see it makes like a opening a Coke bottle noise kind of thing when you go in. It's cool. I don't know if you heard it, but it's cool. It's like gets you all ready for Coke.
This is the part where you ooh and ah. Ooh. Ah.
2 rows open and reserved for our friends with mobility needs.
Entering the vault.
So we're gonna find the secret formula.
So extra. Okay, my turn. Ruth.
My Coke's ready.
Oh, okay. He's been waiting for you to come to the counter to get it for like, I don't know, like 120 years. Hello, sir. I don't get it.
What did you just do?
I just like hit my knee right.
All right, get out.
I tried to hit it hard.
Get out of there.
That didn't feel good. So, Coca-Cola World. It's basically what you would imagine if you thought up a museum dedicated to the invention and history of a beverage. It's super gimmicky, and you'll definitely feel like you're living inside of an actual Coke ad for about an hour or two. That being said, there were actually some pretty interesting artifacts and details to learn about whether or not you like or even drink Coke. They really tease you with this idea of a secret formula throughout the museum, and obviously never answer the question. However, there are some hints at a few possible secret flavors. Overall, I would say it was much more fun than you might expect.
The whole idea of this exhibit, guys, is to show you how tough this is to do with just your sense of smell.
It's so bitter. Why?
It tastes like alcohol straight up.
Why is it so bitter? I get what they're doing. They end with all these lackluster sodas so that by the time you get done and you try a Coke, you're like, oh, there's nothing that compares.
Real Coke.
I'm so ready. Original taste.
It's really sweet.
Movie! Basically, we just got done with the 3D theater. I'm pretty convinced after this Coca-Cola tour that watermelon is definitely a flavor included in the Coca-Cola secret formula. There's been like a couple hints throughout, and there's other flavors that are hinted at, but that's like the weirdest one in my opinion that I wouldn't have thought of, but it came up a couple times that I feel like it's gotta be. And yeah, I had a lot of fun actually. I mean, it's really nerdy and silly, but I think if you just come with an open, you know, just mind to have a good time, it was a lot of fun. What do you think?
I think I still feel sick from drinking all that soda. Dogs at the mall.
Oh my gosh, Lila, what is it? You want one? You want one? Okay, so I had to show you guys this Five Daughters Bakery. They have, they call them 100-layer donuts. They're basically cronuts, so like croissant donuts. If you have had one of those, just about anywhere, croissant donuts are really good, but these ones are insanely good.
Packed up, ready to go.
Who's ready to go home? Who's ready to go home? Oh, tonight, that's ready. Baloo, are you ready to go home? You guys? But yeah, that's pretty much it. The dogs had fun on their 20 acres. We had fun going to check out the city and doing our own fun little things, and yeah.
Thanks for traveling with us, guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye guys, Happy New Year. Look, Adam found this slug right before we almost just ran him over, so luckily we're gonna relocate him. Oh no! Just go over there, guy. Sorry, I think we traumatized you.
Oh my god, he'll be fine.
But he'll be okay. Alright, I'll stand slug duty while you back up.